Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over the best deck for Arena 4 in Clash Royale. And this deck is actually called the Giant Push. It's all about lining up a strong push with a Giant and at least a couple of support troops. The Giant with a Musketeer or Skeletal Dragons behind him is a deadly force to stop. And the Valkyrie also helps if your opponent is using ground swarms like goblins or barbarians to fight your giant. And the best strategy with this deck is actually to wait until your opponent tries to make a push. And then you counter it with either a tombstone, okay, a Valkyrie or goblins. And you can then drop a giant on the bridge in front of your support units that were just defending. This will basically make for a super strong counter push. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.